is Declutter in a Dash day, I don't know, 12 maybe, something. I'm going to go in your closet, pick a section. Don't do the whole closet at once. It's too much overwhelm. But pick a section of clothes. I was first going to do my cardigans, and I was looking, I was like, I don't think I'm going to get rid of any of these. So I went to the back because I was like, well, what do I use the least? Probably the stuff toward the back. And it was all my fancy dresses. It's going to be hard because I'm one of those that's like, I don't know when I'll have a ball to go to. Okay? I don't know when I'm going to go clubbing. But this one, I actually wore this 2 New Year's Eves ago. It was so fun. Look, it's like a tulle skirt. It looked really cute on. Cuter. Usually it's opposite where I'll see something on someone like, oh my god, it's so cute. And then I put it on, I'm like, I felt like it looked cuter than on the rack. Like just how it fell, and with a tight black, I had a little tight black shirt with like a little keyhole, and I loved it. I felt very fun and party-like. It's a great little party skirt. I love it. And I mean, gold glitter. You know me. Another keeper. Everyone needs a fancy little black dress. This one is short and tight, and Cora said that it was short and tight. She said, I really like it. It looks great on you. I would never wear it because it's short and tight. I'm like, well, you're 9, so that makes sense. I tried all these on for her because I was like, and that's the thing too. Pause, try stuff on if you want to take that time, or if you want to do a quick go through and just like, I know I don't like this, I don't wear this, whatever. With these, I did have trouble, so I was like, bring it in Cora. Cora's the most honest person. She'll be like, looks horrible. This, she liked. My husband was in here too. I don't ask his opinion sometimes because, like this, he was like, I don't like that style. I see that style. I hate that one that's like high. He doesn't like where it's like higher up, like if it's baby doll style, but I think it's cute. So it's more I'm asking like, how's it look on my body? Which everything he's like, you look hot, you look great. So it's not helpful. He's a man who's like, yeah, it's you and something tight, yeah. No, but Cora did like this one. What do you guys think? We could vote on this maybe. I'll probably still keep it, but I'm interested to know. You might, I know you'd probably have to see it, but it's cute where it's like tight up here and then shoots out like A-line. And I just love the unique little pattern, and I'm all for some metallic. So I'm keeping that. Don't worry, I'm getting rid of some. This one, I was pleasantly surprised. I thought for some reason this one would not fit anymore. This is from our first Valentine's Day, me and my husband. And I for some reason thought it'd be too small, but it fit like a glove. And it looked good. And I was like, oh, I need to break this out. I should have worn this on Valentine's. Oh, Valentine's hasn't come. Look at that. All right, it's going to be my Valentine's Day dress. Like 12 years later. Wait, how long have we been married? 13? It'll be 13. I'm so bad at math. I'm not even doing it. Okay, this is one that's going. This one was one I bought. I did go to a ball. And this is what I was going to wear. This is the top. Still got the tag on. And this was the bottom. Huge. Oh, it's inside out. This was the, the very top of it, and then it's blue the rest of the way down. And I really was like, yes. And then I had my friends vote on it, and they voted against this, and I was like, I'm still keeping it because I'm going to wear it somewhere. That somewhere hasn't happened, and I kind of think it won't. I kind of think I'm not going to prom in the 80s. I don't love it as much. When I remember loving it, and I don't have that feeling anymore. I don't know why. If I did, I'd keep it. I don't really, always care what people think about styles all the time. It's more like, how's this look on me? Or if something's like blatantly like, that's really hideous, which some of you might think this is. Probably most of you. I like sparkles. This one I wore to a ball, a gala. And I love it. It's green. I love green. One of my favorite colors. My eyes are green, so it's always fun. This one is tight and then like a little sexier kind of one. I love this one, and I'm gonna zip it up, and I'm gonna keep that one. What else do we have? Are there? Oh, good. I feel like I'm not getting rid of enough, but it is what it is. This one, I was like, when I just saw it in the closet, I was like, I don't know. This is like long. When I tried it on, I remember why I like it. It just, you know, some dresses just look good on your body type. Like it just accentuates the right things. You know, it looks good. It looks, again, it's one of those that looks better on than on the hanger, which I feel like is rare for a lot of us, right? We look, see, oh, that's so cute. Then you try it on, it's kind of like, that doesn't do much for me. But this does pretty good things. So I'm keeping it for my next ball, all the balls I'm going to. All right. This I wore for New Year's, I don't know, in 2018 or 19 or something. 2018, I think. And it was fun, but I think it had its day. Cora was like, she was a big no for this. She just didn't like it altogether. I felt like, when I was looking at it on me, I felt like it almost felt like too childy, like teeny boppery or something. I don't know. It was fun. I liked it when I got it. I wore it, but it's going to be a no. And this one, I was thinking now and then, again, tried this one on. I was like, actually, yeah, I like it. Look, it's velvet. Velvet with these little kind of very tiny, like, they're not studs. I guess they're mini studs. Maybe they are. Again, it's green, it's velvet. I think it's a nice holiday dress. So I'm going to keep that. Maybe if I don't wear this next holiday season, then I'll get rid of it. That's kind of where I'm at. Because when I looked at this year, I remember looking and being like, But when I tried it on today, I was like, oh, it looks good. I remember why I kept it. Sometimes you gotta try things on. So that's why we don't want to do like the whole closet all at once unless you have a lot of time, because trying on can give you a whole different feel in a good way and a bad way. Because you might be like, oh yeah, I remember this. Yeah, I'm going to keep that. I haven't worn it in a while, but I'm going to keep it. Try it on. Look in the mirror. Maybe you don't want to keep it. Maybe it just doesn't fit how it used to, right? That's okay. Or on the other hand, like this guy, you're like, you just don't grab for it, and then you try it on, you're like, oh, you do good things for me. Okay. And I like the feel of you. And I feel good in this. So I'm going to keep these. I honestly thought I wouldn't get rid of any, so I'm proud I'm at least getting rid of 2 items. It's not my biggest declutter, but this is not, I mean, this still has the tags on it. Come on, someone's gonna love that. Someone's gonna rock that. Someone as gaudy as me is gonna say yes to these. I love my God. I don't care. I don't care. But those 2 items, they need to go. I've got a gaudy taste. I mean, you can tell by most of my things. Sparkles, I mean, there's no hiding my gaudiness, okay? I have New York blood in me. It's the Italian New Yorker. So is that it? I think that's it. So you guys, there's my robe over there. Woo! It's so cool. My mom got it for me for Christmas. It is so soft. It has stars all over it, and it has these strings. You know, there's like the fuzzy tie, and then inside sometimes the robes have the like thinner, almost shoelace looking things you can tie together to keep it closed on the inside. Those ties are glow in the dark. What? Random shit by Christy. What else we got? We got my Be Still. It's a reminder for me because I'm hyper and I have to relax. Then there's my palm tree because palm trees. And there's my jewel record. I have to figure out where to put, probably in the basement where the record player is. But my husband got me that. If you don't know Jewel and Snoop Dogg, they're like my jams. Now, Jewel is probably my all-time favorite singer and songwriter. I've just loved her since she came out, right when she came out. It's signed copy. Hi, Jewel. I've met her twice. I sang to her. That's a fun story. Maybe I'll tell that on Whiny Wednesday, too. I literally sang her lyrics. She forgot her lyrics, and instead of just saying them to her, like she would have liked, in that moment I was so nervous. Here I am and like right in the front, she's there, she's asking me to feed her lyrics, and I knew them by heart, but I put my phone up to just because I didn't want to mess it up for Jewel, okay? So I look at it, I went blank. I couldn't even read. I was so like, oh my gosh, this is starstruck with, my joy. And I just started singing the song because I was like, I know the lyrics if I sing it. So I just started singing at the top of my lungs. Everyone quieted down as I was singing the lyrics to her. My husband caught it on video. It is the funniest shit in the world. I had met a girl before at the VIP because we met her and did a whole VIP experience. And I met this girl before, and well, I met a bunch of people. We were all, you know, I'm an extrovert. We were chatting, and I somehow told this girl, I think she's like, oh, like, she said, Christy, yeah, you have a nickname, something like that, and I was like, yeah, it's Sea Dog, and she's like, Sea Dog. I was like, yeah. So, which was my nickname in high school, and so first I'm singing, and Jewel interrupts me and says something like, you have a very nice voice, but you can just say it to me. And everyone started cracking up. And the girl, you can hear the girl in the background go, Sea Dog! Like all loud from across the way. So just the whole thing was so freaking epic, hilarious, but epic for me, of course. That was like the highlight of my life. So it was really magical. That's one of my Jewel stories. But yeah, I just love her. She's so down to earth, and like, I definitely want to see her again. I've seen her, I forget the exact, it's 29 or 30 times in concert. I've like traveled, I've seen her in California, Boston, New York, a bunch of times in Maryland, Virginia, DC area. I've seen her so many places. I just love her. She's so talented, underrated. Anyway, that's my story about Jewel. As you can see, I like her. I have no idea. Oh yeah, because I was talking about that. So I have to put that with the records in the record player. And I hope you guys have been able to sort through your stuff. Maybe story time, let you look through a little more things. But the point is, just take a little bit. Just take a little chunk out and go through, because you try to do it all at once, it's so overwhelming to go through like a whole closet. If you have that energy and time in you, like, great. But a lot of you are following me because you don't. It's too overwhelming. I'm switching they were facing the wrong ways. So yeah. And be honest with yourself. Say, does this fit? I mean, like right now, one of these dresses, I'm not gonna lie, was like a little tight. And I was like, but I just started working out 4 times a week, so I know I'm gonna lose pretty quickly. Hopefully. That's usually what happens. I usually get like that. But perimenopause, it's a little harder to lose. Let's be honest. If you know, you know. Do you know? Tell me in the comments. Why don't more people warn you about all the things in perimenopause? Not just the weight. All the things. Like, it's not menopause. Perimenopause is where, for years, it's crazy. Maybe not for everybody. For a lot of people, I'm finding out, like, no one talks about it. All right. I'm going to put that in my giveaway. I'm going to hang these back up in the back, because I don't go to galas every day. But when I do, boom, I'm ready. I'm ready for every gala out there, right? If you want me at your gala, I'm ready. Pick a dress, I'll wear it. All right, hope you guys have a great night, morning, whenever you're watching this. And don't forget, I have all the other videos from the 30-day challenge. You can do them whenever you want. You can do 2 a day if you got the time, because they're so quick, all right? So I'm proud of you. Good job. Say hi in the comments. Give a thumbs up. Share. Whatever you want. And I will talk to you tomorrow. Smooches and deuces.